Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a brand new project that is about to launch on the 18th of August 2023. Now, the name of the project is called Base Miner. Now, Base Miner is built on the Ethereum blockchain and is a project that promises to pay up to 5% daily. Wow. Now, this is a mining project. If you are familiar with mining projects, you know it's a kind of project that actually stayed long on the blockchain, right? They stay very longer compared to some other kind of projects on the crypto market. So we're going to be looking at the full details of this project, the review of this project. I'm going to be showing you the audit of this project and everything you need to know about Base Miner. Right now, one good thing about this project is that you can come in with any amount of money, right? So there's no limit or maximum amount of money that you can actually put into this project. And mind you, the capital you actually put into this project will determine the numbers of miners that will actually help you to mine crypto on this particular project. Okay, so one basic thing I actually love about this project is that the ROI, okay, is actually high compared to some other miners that we've seen in the past, like Big Beans, BNB miners, and all that, right? So quickly, before I show you all you need to know about this project here, let me quickly go to the audit and show you all the informations you need. Here, we're going to be looking at Base Miner here. Now, this project is audited by Encrypto Security, right? And Encrypto Security is one of the top auditing firm when it comes to auditing of contract, right? Now, this project is going to be launching on the 18th, like I rightly said. You can see here the auditing report here. You can see here is a developer here. Network, you can see the network here. You can see the launch date on the 18th, like I rightly say. So we're going to scroll down and let's quickly look at the audit summary here, okay? So you can see it says by checking and manually testing of all buttons, functionality, and other features of Base Miner website, the Encrypto team for front-end web design found no malicious and blank content from it, right? So invariably, they are just telling us that after going through the contract, right, they couldn't find any malicious content or code in the contract of this project. Okay, you see by final checking and manually reading of the Base Miner smart contract, the Encrypto team found no malicious content, backdoor, and scam script, right? So there's no scam script or malicious code found on this contract. Okay, let's scroll down and read more about it. Okay, so here you're going to see the owner ability. Okay, transfer ownership, transfer the contract address to any. So here you can see that the owner has actually renounced the ownership of this project. Okay, that's why you see renounce ownership, transfer the contract address to zero dead address. Okay, so the contract of this project now actually belongs to the community of this project. So whoever is coming into this project is part of the community of this project, and they all together own the ownership of this project, right? Now, if you scroll down here, you're going to see that you remember I told you it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, no minimum deposit as the egg was dependent on the current market value. Okay, so all these informations about this security audit here, you're going to find it even if you click the link below, right? That link is going to take you to the website, and from the website you're going to get a link to this security audit that you can read through yourself. It's a well-detailed security audit of this project. So in short, I will encourage you to go ahead and read through the audit for yourself before you put in your money into this project. Okay, but from the look of things here, we can all see that the audit is well detailed and good enough, right? Now quickly, let's go back to the miner website. Now here is the miner website. First and foremost, you need to connect your MetaMask. Okay, if you are not using MetaMask, if you are using Trust Wallet, it's okay. If you are using Coinbase or any other wallet, okay, you can connect to this project. All right, so if you come down here, all you just need to do is just to put in the amount of Ethereum you want to put into this project here. Okay, now when you put in the amount, you're going to click on this buy button. You can see the buy button is not active now because the project is not live yet. Okay, but as soon as it goes live on the 18th, this buy button is going to be active, right? Then when you scroll down here, you can see here it talks about the APR up to 5%. That is what I told you earlier. Okay, so you can see it here on the website, and here you're going to be seeing the amount of funds that is in the contract. Okay, so if you click here, it's going to take you to the contract address here. So the contract here, you're going to see the total funds that is in the contract right here. But as you can see presently, because the project is not live yet, you can see that the value is actually 0 presently. But as soon as it goes live, you're going to get the full details here, right? Then if you come down here, you're going to see your dividend here, right? So your profit, you're going to see it here, right? And then you can decide to claim it any day, right? If you click on this claim button, the profit actually goes directly to your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, your Coinbase wallet. Any wallet you connect to this project is going to go directly in there, right? And also, if you want to compound, you can click on this compound. Now, the compounding, you don't even need to pay any fee for you to compound, right? So the compounding is absolutely free. You just click on this compound and you'll be able to compound your profit here, and you make more money. Remember, the more funds you put into the project, the more profit you actually makes. Okay, so if you come down here, you're going to see the numbers of miners that you actually hired with the funds you actually put into this project, right? And one other thing I want to advise you to do as soon as you come into this project is to make sure you join their Telegram group, right? Because the Telegram group, you get more information about this project from their Telegram group. So you're going to come down here, you click on this button here, then it takes you directly to their Telegram group, right? Now you're going to click and you join their Telegram group, right? Then let's go back to the contract again, the project again. Let me quickly show you some other things you need to know about this project, right? You can also decide to talk to your friends, your relatives, your business associates. You copy your link here, you give it to them, they join through your link, and that actually comes in as extra funds for you. Okay, so far the project looks so neat and very clean. So if you look at the website, is not this kind of website that is cumbersome to read. You can see that it's well spelled out. Okay, all the buttons are spelled out. You can just go around and click on any button you want to click on, right? So I just want to believe that this project is going to be here for a very long time, because with the history of mining projects, we know that miners, project like BNB Miner, Big Beans, we all know that they stayed for a very long time. Okay, so we want to believe that Base Miner is going to be here with us for a very long time, and we're going to make a whole lot of funds from it. Okay, but having said that, I will advise you to do your own personal research. Okay, because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you projects that I'm into and projects that I believe my subscribers need to know about. Okay, and I want to believe you got value from this video. And if you got value from this video, remember to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Now the link to my Telegram group is in the description of the video. Okay, you can go ahead and join my Telegram group, and also if you want to get across to me, the link to my personal Telegram handle is in the description of the video also. Okay, you can go ahead and click on it, and you'll be able to talk to me. Okay, I want to say thank you once again for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.